Go take this upstairs.
Wow, thank you, Mama.
I'm so sorry, sweetheart. I didn't see it until now. It's okay, Mom. I'm just glad you're feeling better.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Emma. Emma was a kind and gentle girl. She lived with her father and her stepmother, Sophia. Sophia loved her own daughter, Lily, very much. But she did not treat Emma the same way. Emma always felt lonely. Whenever Sophia bought toys, clothes, or gifts, she bought them only for Lily. Emma never complained. She stayed quiet and continued to be kind. One sunny Saturday, Sophia decided to go shopping. She took Lily with her. Emma wanted to come too. "Can I come with you?" Emma asked politely. Sophia shook her head.
No, Emma.
"Stay at home." Emma smiled sadly. "Okay." A few hours later, Emma sat near the window. She watched people walking outside. Suddenly, her father came home early. "Where's Sophia and Lily?" he asked. "They went shopping," Emma replied. Her father nodded. Just then, his phone rang. His face turned pale. "What happened?" Emma asked. "There was an accident in the shopping mall," her father said. Emma felt worried. "Are they okay?" "I don't know," he answered. Without wasting time, they rushed to the mall. When they arrived, they saw many people standing near an elevator. Emma pushed through the crowd. Then she saw Sophia sitting on the floor. She looked weak and scared. Lily was crying nearby. Sophia had slipped while carrying many shopping bags. She had hurt her ankle badly. Many people walked past them. Nobody stopped to help. Emma quickly ran to her stepmother. "Are you okay?" she asked. Sophia looked surprised. Even after being treated unfairly, Emma was the first person to help her. "My ankle hurts," Sophia whispered. Emma gently held her hand. "Don't worry. We will help you." Emma called for assistance. Soon a mall worker brought a wheelchair. Emma carefully helped Sophia sit down. Then she carried some of the shopping bags herself. The bags were heavy, but Emma did not complain. Lily watched quietly. She felt ashamed. Later, they went to the hospital. The doctor examined Sophia. "You have a sprained ankle," he said. "You need to rest for several weeks."
Sophia sighed.
She knew it would be difficult. When they returned home, Emma brought her a glass of water. "Here you go," she said kindly. "Thank you," Sophia replied softly. The next day, Emma woke up early. She prepared breakfast. She cleaned the house. She helped Lily get ready for school. She even helped Sophia walk around the house. Day after day, Emma continued helping. She never expected anything in return. One evening, Sophia sat quietly in her room. She thought about everything. She remembered all the times she ignored Emma. She remembered every unfair thing she had done. Tears filled her eyes. Emma knocked on the door. "Do you need anything?" she asked. Sophia looked at her. "Emma, come here." Emma walked closer. Sophia took her hand. I need to tell you something. Emma listened carefully. I have not been a good stepmother, Sophia said. I treated you unfairly. Emma stayed silent. I am sorry, Sophia continued. You helped me when I needed you most. Tears rolled down her cheeks. You showed me what true kindness looks like. Emma smiled gently. Everyone makes mistakes. Sophia hugged her tightly. Can you forgive me? Yes, Emma answered. From that day, everything changed. Sophia started treating Emma and Lily equally. When she bought gifts, she bought them for both girls. When they went out, she invited both daughters. Soon, the house became a happier place. The girls played together. They laughed together. They shared their toys and stories. Months later, Sophia planned a special family trip. At the park, she gave Emma a beautiful necklace. Emma looked surprised. What is this for? She asked. Sophia smiled. It is a thank you gift. A thank you gift? Yes, Sophia said. You taught me the meaning of love, kindness, and family. Emma hugged her stepmother. This time, the hug felt warm and real. Their family was finally complete, and from that day on, they lived happily together. Kindness can change hearts. Even when people treat us unfairly, kindness and forgiveness can make a family stronger.